everyone, I'm Nicole with mmToolParts.com. Today we're going to show you how to replace your lower guard on your DWS780. N027988. Alright, this is super simple. All you're going to need is your new lower guard and a T20, and you're just going to unscrew these 4 screws here. Super easy. Okay, easy peasy. Let's get our new one on. Now we have our new one and we're just gonna slide it back. And there you have it, all done, super easy. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And if you need any of the parts we used today, go to mmToolParts.com and we'll have everything you need there. Okay, bye.